The question is, you get to this, the turkey dark meat, turkey white meat thing here, right? And the question is, and kids always want to know. They want to know, is light, what is it? Is it a wave or a particle? And the answer is, and people don't like this, is that light is something that we can't observe directly. So it is whatever is convenient. Okay, it at times behaves like a wave, and at times it acts like a particle. Right? If we are generally speaking, if light is interacting with small things like electrons or whatever, right? Like for example, the photoelectric effect, it's going to act like a particle. It's acting with small things, right? If it's in general acting with big things like lenses and the surface of water and whatever, it's going to act like a wave. It's going to do one or the other. It will never ever do both. And this is the idea of complementarity. Duality is that both things describe light. Complementarity is the notion that it will never do both. It will never, in a given situation, be both a particle and a wave. And why is this? I have no earthly clue. This seems to be a fundamental law of the universe, and nobody knows why. So, if you get to ask your maker a question, at the end of it all, this wouldn't be a bad one. Okay. And there are other evidences besides the photoelectric effect of light acting like a particle. There's something called Compton scattering, where a photon can hit an electron, and afterwards the photon and electron are both moving, right? Well, if the photon gave the electron some of its energy, that means the color of the photon has changed. Its energy has changed, therefore its color has changed. And there's a number of other things that evidences of photons acting like particles. Photons, light acting like a wave, is like refraction, where it bends. Interference, where I think Mr. Bossy showed you this last year, where you shine the laser on a couple double slits, and it creates overlapping waves which interfere with each other. So anyway, that's the de Broglie thing, and we should be good. The only thing I can think of is that maybe we won't get to as many of the photoelectric effect whiteboards, and if we don't, you could just go and review those with them if we didn't get to very many of those. Anyway, that's that.